Hey guys, I'm Bella with El Paso, and I'm here with lawyer Daniela Labinoti. She works here in El Paso, and she's going to give us some legal advice today. So, if you've gone off to Vegas and you've gone a shotgun wedding, we hear it all the time in movies, annulment.
Yeah.
But in a regular situation, when are you getting an annulment versus a divorce?
All right. So an annulment is when you are trying to completely eliminate the existence of a marriage, meaning a marriage never happened. There was never a marriage. Versus a divorce, a marriage is legal, but now you're trying to dissolve it. Okay. So they're very, very different. Now, when can someone annul a marriage? An annulment, you have to show some sort of proof that you were frauded into the marriage, meaning it's not the person who says they were. Or you were so drunk you didn't know what you were doing. You were Vegas, highly intoxicated, or drugs, or completely you hit your head or something. You did not have the capacity to understand into the legal process you were entering into. So, also a minor. You have to have capacity to enter into a marriage. So the 16-year-old goes to Vegas and she decides to get married, well, then you're going to get an annulment because you did not have the capacity. So those are all the things that you need to get an annulment, meaning the marriage never existed. There was not a valid marriage. A divorce, on the other hand, maybe you had a little bit too much to drink, or maybe you were in love, but it doesn't matter. Or both. A divorce means there was a legal marriage, but now you need to dissolve it because of irreconcilable differences or for whatever other reasons, and you have to go through the process of divorce.
So, are there any annulments that can happen if you have been married for years?
Well, generally annulments are within 6 months, but obviously, like for example, if the person is underage, and they've been married, maybe they were married for over 1 year, but then they were a minor, yes, you can still get an annulment.
Okay.
So
think before you drink, guys, and think before you get married.
Absolutely.
Or get an annulment. Okay, so we ask Daniela these questions every week. So tune in next week to see what else we've asked her. El Paso will be right back after this break.